Hi, welcome to Easy English and thank you for visiting. We're going to show you how to use adjectives in a sentence. As a general rule in English, adjectives are placed before the nouns they modify. This is not true in other languages, and this is one of the challenges of teaching English to speakers of other languages, especially when you are trying to teach them how to write sentences. Because they think in their language and then they write adjectives after the noun. And you have to remind them again and again that in English, adjectives are placed before the nouns. Here are examples: an expensive car, a tall building, a difficult subject, an interesting story. Sometimes we want to use more than one adjective in one sentence, and there is an order for that. The first one should be the determiner or the article. Second, opinion, followed by size, shape, age, followed by color, origin, materials, type, and purpose. However, we don't really need to use all these adjectives in one sentence. Otherwise, it's unnatural, even for native speakers. Three is fine, but even four is uncommon. Let's have a look at some examples. He is a handsome, tall, bearded Middle Eastern man. He was wearing a funny yellow cotton hat. The teacher has got a beautiful, small, modern house near the beach, just to show how adjectives are used in a sentence. If you have any questions, please write them on the comments below and I'll get back to them in the next videos. And if you find this information useful, please share, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Thank you. See you in the next video.